With cold weather just around the corner, it's time to bust out the jackets and hoodies. So today, I'm getting prepared and testing out an electric heated jacket from Wulcea. And it comes with almost everything you'll need to stay comfortable and warm this winter. Open up the box and inside you'll find the power bank, a Type-C USB charging cord and adapter, a zip-up carrying bag, the manual, and the heated jacket. It has a cozy inner fleece liner that feels good to wear and is suitable in the cold even without being turned on. But if you get too cold, it has graphene heating technology that warms up quickly. Here you can see the 6 zones that wrap you up 360 degrees in warmth. It's even weather resistant, so a nice little bonus for even more protection. And it's really easy to use. Just unzip the inside pocket, connect the power bank to generate heat, and tuck it in. You can turn it on by long pressing the power button and then choose your heat setting. The red light is the high heat setting and can last for about 3 hours. White is medium and can last for about 5 hours. And blue is the low setting and can last for about 7 hours. And speaking of charging, it didn't take long to bring the power bank up to 100%. It's also lightweight and not too bulky. I barely even noticed that it's in the jacket after a while. And when you're not using the heat on your jacket, you can even use the 16,000 mAh battery to charge things like smartphones. There's also pockets with zippers on each side, an inner pocket for the battery pack, adjustable cuffs, another pocket on the front, and a detachable hood. When I tried it on, I was immediately impressed by the quality and how warm it was even without the heat. Plus, I think it looks nice. The medium size fit me pretty well, and it appears just like a normal jacket. But when I'm outside early in the morning and it's cold, I can turn it on and it heats up in minutes. It's perfect if you like to be outdoors and don't want to let the upcoming winter months ruin your fun. And even though it's still hot out right now during the day, the mornings are starting to get a little bit chilly, and before you know it, the ground will be covered with snow, and it'll be nice to have some extra attire that goes above and beyond to keep you comfortable. Plus, it feels so well made that I suspect it'll last for years to come. So if you're ready for your next new jacket, one that looks cute and warms up with the push of a button, this one might have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." Till next time, I'll be prepared for the cold with my new jacket. Later.